everybody's name anymore.
Right.
That's a little bit of a problem. Not a real problem, but a little.
What do you think of the kitchen? It's a lot like ours now, isn't it?
Your house is beautiful.
It's gorgeous.
It is gorgeous, yes.
Well, you're going to enjoy it now. You got somebody to run around in the yard. My grandkids come over every now and then, but now they're big enough to do their own stuff, so
They're
I
not.
don't visit quite as much.
Aww.
They're close, but they're nearby.
KitchenAid, Jesse?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, we just built a tree house for him over at our house
Did
this
you?
year. Yes.
Do you want to see dining room?
Oh, no, that's at my house.
Yeah, thankfully we don't all live together.
Hey, watch out. Sorry.
I was trying to find the light switch. Sorry.
You okay?
We're good.
We're okay.
So is the jar.
Okay.
This is the dining room. What do you think?
Oh,
Will our dining room set fit in here, Lokes? Yeah? I think we're gonna have more than enough room. Yeah?
I have your agreements.
Awesome, thank you.
I didn't forget.
Thank you. Bob's totally not cool with it, but that's okay, I'll tell you later.
He's not good with it? He what? Oh yeah, I know what you're talking about. I do know what you're talking about.
Okay. Well, no, because I'm